Fishing from a pier can be a ton of fun and a productive way to fish, but there are a few things to know before you toss out a line. Some piers charge a small fee for entry and others are free. Most of the time you can find that information online or call ahead before you go. While researching, you'll want to see if your pier offers equipment rentals. Some do, which can be super convenient for beginners, but some don't. Last thing to look into is if they offer bait. Some piers offer frozen bait like squid or shrimp, and others may even offer live bait. Now let's get into some fishing specifics. Fishing from a pier can be super effective because structure attracts fish, and of course, a pier enables you to reach deeper water that you just can't reach from the surf. Usually the best time to fish from a pier is at dawn or dusk, especially during high tide or an outgoing tide. Piers can get busy on the weekends, but they're typically large enough that overcrowding shouldn't be an issue. One spot you'll want to try is the trough near the surf break. This is a travel corridor for many species of fish. But if you are looking for some larger predatory fish, the end of the pier in the deeper water is the way to go. Bring sunglasses so that you can see into the water and look for pelicans and other birds diving down to catch bait. The bigger fish will follow where the bait goes. Most of the time, natural bait in the form of frozen shrimp or squid will work best, but various lures that imitate bait fish work as well. You can also consider chumming the water to attract the action. Now let's talk gear. I'd recommend starting with a 9 to 10 foot medium heavy action rod with 20 to 40 pound line, although there are a lot of different options when it comes to rod, reel, and line combos. It can sound confusing and overwhelming at first, but if you ask someone at your local sporting goods store, they'll know what you're looking for. Hooks, pyramid sinkers, a drop net, pliers, sunglasses, and a bucket are all also handy. The bucket doubles as a carrier to hold all of your gear and something to sit on. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the Take Me Fishing YouTube channel, and for more helpful fishing tips, visit takemefishing.org.